I am recording on my iPhone right now because I left my camera at the house. But as you guys can see, we got Bludini right here behind me. In today's video, I'm gonna be heading out to Iowa, which is 4.5 hours away, to pick up some American racing headers for this beast right here. From 2:30 to 3:45, man. That is not good out here for your boy for this trip that we are about to currently make. Oh,
yo, what's poppin'?
Brand new whip, just hopped in.
You haven't been, I don't think you've ever been in my videos. It's my boy Dominic right here. We go way back ever since elementary. Crazy enough, I am taking Bludini out to Iowa. Drive Bludini out 4 hours. I think it's about 250 miles there and then back. So it's gonna be quite a little hike, but hey, Bludini 2.0 could take it on, so let's get it. Jesus, where are we headed into? In some ancient area out here, damn near on the border of Illinois and Iowa. Dope. This area looks pretty dope though, not gonna lie. I like how this area like leads us from straight cornfields to a little small town in the middle of nowhere. We're stopping for some more E85 out here. Guys, so we made it on out here. We got the infamous American racing headers right here. I'm doing the unboxing and stuff when I get back to Illinois. I'm out here in Iowa right now. It's bright daylight. It's feeling good. What are the chances that I get pulled over because another Mustang actually revved up his engine? It was a V6 and I'm just cruising, you know, we were cruising. Funny enough, I got an exhaust back here to quiet down this current exhaust that's on the car. Who knows if he gives me a ticket or not? We'll see. I'm on our trip back from Iowa, which is nuts. I never got pulled over on the highway, but a green Mustang revved his little V6 engine up, and this guy, we like split, and this guy chose me, so here we are. We'll see the verdict. He came back. That was loud. He was pretty cool. I got my license back. He's not gonna write anything. I'm good to go. I should just skirt off now this one. And we've made our way back home. This is a 5-piece set, y'all. I got an X pipe right here. We got catalytic converters with one piece right here, one piece right there. And then we got the 1 7/8 headers. All right, little backstory for y'all. On my previous Mustang, OG Bludini, the one that I totaled, I had Kooks 1 7/8 long tube headers on that Mustang, paired up with a high flow catalytic converters and an X pipe. And then it had no resonators and it had no mufflers. And that exhaust setup was the most perfect exhaust setup that I think anybody could ever have on their Mustang. That car sounded beautiful, phenomenal. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any more Kooks 1 7/8 long tube headers while searching for months on Facebook Marketplace before I found these. And I found these American racing headers on Facebook Marketplace for a really great deal. For $1,250 bucks, I picked these things up. These things go for over $2 grand, brand new. And these are brand new. The previous owner did not install these on their car. So I got a really great deal when I went out to Iowa to grab these. Another buying point with why I bought these headers was because it came with catalytic converters. I thought these were going to be high flow catalytic converters, but I think these are regular catalytic converters because I can see a lot of honeycomb in here, and inside of these cats they are filled with 3 metals. I think it's platinum, palladium, and rhodium, which reduces the gases that flow through your exhaust, so then your exhaust could be more efficient. I don't know, with the legal state, what's it called, EPA regulations and stuff like that. Unfortunately, these catalytic converters is going to make the car, I think, a lot more quieter than I want it to be. However, the car right now is currently straight pipe, so it has no catalytic converters, no resonators, no mufflers, fully straight pipe back. It has an H pipe on there too. It's too loud. It's really too loud for me, to be honest with y'all. Well, one, the previous owner took off the catalytic converters. I was kind of stuck with that. It was a nice tone for the exhaust, but it wasn't loud enough. So I just took off the mufflers, which the previous owner still had on there. So in that one video that I did, I took off the mufflers and that opened up this exhaust crazy. And the drone in this car is crazy. I really can't drive with it anymore. It's annoying, ringing in my head, and I really just cannot do it. And I feel like if I had high flow catalytic converters, that would have toned down the car a lot more until I like it, like my previous Mustang. Guys, I wanted to pick me up another exhaust with the X-pipe because I really don't like the H-pipe tone so much. The car sounds really aggressive. It's not that bad, but I like the X-pipe a lot more. With the X-pipe, as you guys can see here, the exhaust flow is gonna flow a lot better because it crosses into the X-pipe, so it's gonna be a lot more efficient. H-pipe tone is a little bit more like American muscle, like really deep. X-pipe will give you a little bit more slightly raspy tone depending on your exhaust setup. We have the harnesses, we have the header gaskets, which are really plastic. I don't know, it looks like it's made of Play-Doh or something. And then we got the other flanges to clamp on the clamps to clamp on the exhaust. I'm not gonna throw on those header gaskets. I'm gonna use the OEM header gaskets, brand new from Ford. It's recommended to use OEM header gaskets. That's what I used for my previous Kooks Mustang header install, and it worked out perfect. I will likely be showing y'all how to install the headers again, stage 2 comp cams, and the boundary oil pump gears. Trying to get that all captured so I can show you guys the process. So with that being said, make sure you guys stay tuned for the next couple of videos that are gonna be coming. I know it's been crazy. I've been uploading like once a month, but you guys see the stuff is coming in. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment down below what you guys want to see next. We gone.